So today we're gonna be doing an unboxing and first impression of the mysterious Byredo Gypsy water. So stay tuned to hear my thoughts on this one. Hey, what's going on guys? Hunter here and welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber. And if you are new, what I do is I make fragrance related content. So if you love fragrances, please just hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, that's correct. We're gonna be doing an unboxing and first impression of Gypsy water by Byredo. Now I'm very excited to actually unbox this one because this is my first from the house, guys. I've never smelled anything by Byredo, which is weird to say, but yeah, first fragrance from them. And I decided no better fragrance than go with Gypsy water from them, which I believe is one of their top sellers, if not their most popular from the house. So yeah, very, very excited for this one. I'm not really, don't know what I'm gonna be expecting when I'm unboxing this one, but we'll see how I like it. But let's go ahead and look over the packaging, which I think looks incredible. As you can see, it comes in this nice white box. I think it has an embossed print all over it. I don't know if that's like their logo. Byredo Gypsy water. This is an eau de parfum, and I actually got this in the 50 ml bottle. They also have the 100 ml as well. Now I actually got this for I don't really remember the price, maybe around like 130 bucks or so, but I got it on a Black Friday deal, so I couldn't pass it up. Got a great deal for it. I think it retails for around $200 for a 50 ml, so I got some money off. But on top you do have their being logo right there, the Byredo right there as well, which I think the font looks absolutely incredible. Of course, made in France. And then on the bottom, you do have your batch code and barcode to authenticate your product to see when it was produced. So let's go ahead and open up the cellophane. Looks like a very interesting packaging. I think it has like a Byredo sticker or seal on both sides. Make sure nobody got inside this fragrance before me, which is always nice to know, just for security. All right, so it actually comes in a sleeve. Let's see. So it pulls out like that, which is nice. All right, oh, yeah, this is like a very like streetwear-y kind of niche fragrance house, which I love. Like, look at that. Byredo right there in a circle, looks great. And then you have the seal on both sides. So let's see, I think okay. Not sure, it kind of has like a supposed to cut it or something down the middle. I don't have a knife, there we go. So never mind, you don't need a knife, you can just kind of separate it. But be careful, I don't want this thing to fling out and hit the wall or something. And I just noticed as well, it says Byredo embossed on the front, guys. Very nice attention to detail. Wow, it sits so nice. All right, so let's put that to the side. And it all white is very, very minimalistic. So let's take a look at the card first. So I think it's just gonna be like a Byredo like thank you card or whatever, or to authenticate your purchase as well, which is nice that they include that. Open that up later and let's pull this out. All right, very, very snugly in there. Now look at this bottle, wow, so clean. Look at that, you have the white label right there, Gypsy water by Byredo. And then on the bottom, you of course have your batch code down there as well. So that's what it looks like if you're trying to authenticate your product. And I believe these are magnetic caps as well. Let's see. Yep, a nice magnetic cap. You can't go wrong with that. I love when they do that. Just nice attention to detail, like I said. It also has a B inside the cap and a B right there as well. Now the cap, it is plastic, but it does have a nice weight to it since it does have a magnetic inside. Or magnet inside, so that is nice. You can pick it up by the cap as well. So let's go ahead and spray Gypsy water and see what I get. Like I said, I don't know what I'm going to be expecting from this. All I heard is this is a very mysterious fragrance. So I'm going to spray on this arm because I do have something on my left arm from testing. So let's go ahead. Wow. All right, I did spray a ton of juice. Look how concentrated that is, guys. Wow. A nice sprayer as well too. So let's see. Very interesting. So it is opening up like very citrusy. I think I'm getting like lemon, bergamot in here. Wow. Well done though. It actually smells, those two citrus notes, lemon and bergamot, smell very, very natural. Very juicy. That's good, but it also has some kind of like spiciness to it as well. Very green, a very, very green fragrance. I don't know if I was really expecting that, but it is very green. Maybe a little bit fruity as well. It's not coming across very, very strong. I'm assuming it's gonna be more of like a, like closer to the skin. It's not gonna be like a beast mode fragrance. But I'm not always looking for beast mode fragrances that just pretty much offend everyone around you. Sometimes I don't like my fragrances to pretty much be known when I walk into a room. Obviously it's nice on certain occasions and it's nice to have, but also it's nice to be able to spray a fragrance on. If someone does come somewhat close to you, they'll be able to pick it up and maybe even get a little bit more close or even follow you around. Even though that might be a little bit creepy, but I'm just saying it happens. But yeah, with this fragrance, guys, it's coming across kind of transparent, but very well done. You can tell a master perfumer put this one together. It smells really well blended together. It smells very high end as well. Oh man. So yeah, just kind of fruity, citrusy, and a little bit spicy. And very green. I'm almost getting like, almost kind of like a Christmas tree kind of vibe in here, which is the perfect occasion for what's coming up since it is December. Maybe this be my Christmas scent of the day. Huge possibility so far from the smell of this. But I think I heard that there's incense in here, and I did do kind of research on it because I love incense. Incense is one of my favorite notes. Honestly, right now at least, I'm not picking up on like any incense at all. I'm assuming probably in the dry down, the incense will start to come through, maybe some woody notes. It is kind of creamy now as it is sort of drying down. Either vanilla or sandalwood. It's almost smelling more like sandalwood. Yeah, I'm getting that sandalwood vibe, which can kind of come across like dill pickles to me. A lot of times when I smell sandalwood, it does smell like dill. I don't know if you guys get the same kind of similarities to sandalwood. Let me know down below. But yeah, I am picking up on sandalwood in here. It is kind of coming a little bit more warm. All right, let that sit for a moment. As far as seasons go for Gypsy water, I don't know, it's honestly kind of hard to tell. Because the opening, like I said, is very citrusy, very fruity, which leans more so in the like spring, summer. It is also very green, almost like a Christmas tree. Maybe that's pine needles, I'm not sure. Maybe, or maybe patchouli, I don't know. It might be pine though. Yeah, kind of like Ralph Lauren's Polo Green. Like you can get the pine in there. It's kind of a little bit similar to that. But yeah, as far as seasons, it's coming across very versatile at the moment. But I'm assuming as it dries down, you're gonna get more of the woodiness, probably more smoky incense as well, which I can't wait for, guys. I'm just waiting for that to actually come through. It might take, you know, an hour or so for the middle notes and base notes to start settling and coming across once the citrus notes start to fade away, but it's hard to tell. But as far as it's changing now, I can definitely see it's going to be more so for like the fall, maybe winter. I don't think it's like dense enough to beat like the cold 30-degree winter days or like minus, you know, those very, very cold snowy days. I don't know if it's strong enough just to burst through those cold weather. So I think fall is good for this one, and also spring. I would stick to fall and spring. I think it's perfect for Gypsy water. That's a very unique name as well. It's kind of cool. The way it sounds, the way it comes across, Gypsy water. I'm not sure what exactly that means or if it has any similarity to the fragrance. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know down below if you have any insight on the naming and what it has to do with the fragrance. But as far as age groups go, I think it is very versatile to that subject. I think anyone, even a teenager, could probably pull this one off. It just smells good. Very high quality. So if you're a guy and you love high quality things, you like to smell good, Gypsy water might be your signature scent, guys, right here. Yeah, no one's gonna smell like you, I guarantee it. And you're gonna stand out with this. And women will probably wanna come closer to you since it's not a beast mode projector, at least right now. These are all first impressions, guys. So obviously I might do a full review on it, talk about performance, more information about the fragrance, but this is going based on unboxing and what I smell right now on my skin. And I love doing these first impressions with you guys in unboxing. I used to do them all the time, kind of stopped, but I'm gonna start trying to bring them back since you guys seem to really enjoy them. And I love just to sit down, open a box with you, smell them pretty much together and give you my thoughts. But yeah, and also as far as occasions go, I think it could be casual and formal. I can definitely see a formal vibe with Gypsy water. I'm not sure if it's because like the masculine sort of like pine Christmas tree vibe in here. And also obviously the incense, which I am picking up on now. Wasn't picking on like the first 5 minutes, but now I am getting sort of an incense vibe. Incense is not the dominant note at all by any means. I wish it was. I love incense, and I was actually hoping for more incense in this one, but only time will tell, of course. But I'm getting a ton of sandalwood. I think sandalwood is one of the dominant notes in here. It doesn't smell like Santal 33 or nothing like that, but you can definitely pick up on the sandalwood. It is kind of very, very creamy, very woody, very chalky, like sandalwood usually comes across. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for my unboxing and first impression of Byredo's Gypsy water. And as always, guys, let me know down below if you own this one, thinking about picking it up. I wanna hear your thoughts on this fragrance. I love hearing you guys. Tell me what fragrances you guys enjoy, your thoughts on them, your recommendations. Always love communicating, so definitely leave a comment down below. But also leave a like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch all you guys in the next fragrance upload. Take care, everybody.